This video tutorial I will explain how to insert the data using simple JDBC insert class. Here you can see employee table and we will see how to insert the data in the employee table using simple JDBC insert class. Here you can see set data source method. This method will be called by Spring container. Spring container creates a data source object and pass it to this method. That data source object will be set to simple JDBC insert object. Simple JDBC insert object is going to use employee table. Here I am calling execute method of simple JDBC insert object and passing the map. Map contains column names and the corresponding value. This method insert one record in employee table. Here I have defined the class employee. It has four properties: employee ID, name, age and salary. Here I have defined the class employee DAO. It has one abstract method. Method is insert, which accept employee object. Here I have defined the class employee DAO impl, which implements employee DAO interface and provide implementation of insert method. This is a Spring configuration XML. Spring container read this XML and it creates data source object. To create data source object, Spring container needs to know driver class name, URL of the database, username and password of the database. Once data source object is created, it is injected to employee DAO impl. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee DAO object from Spring container. Then I am calling insert method of employee DAO object and passing the employee object. This method insert one record in employee table. Here you can see one record is inserted successfully. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.